Okay, welcome. Uh, yesterday, let me zoom in a bit. I think yesterday we managed to get interfaces working. Oh, sorry, parsing the response from wayland server. So we can get a list of all the interfaces that are defined on the registry. What we need to do next, or like where I stopped yesterday, was trying to get be able to do. Oh yes, I don't know where the XDG protocol file is defined. So I got to find that and then use that protocol file to get an XDG surface, top level XDG surface. So yeah. And once that's done, I think we should have a window of sorts. That's the plan for today. To do, what was it again? XDG protocol. Wayland XDG protocol. XML. Oh, what the fuck? It's been right here. XDG. Okay, this is the one. Let's save this. Interesting. Wonder if he, because it's moved from Intel to Samsung, or somebody here works at Samsung, or maybe it was a collaboration among all of them. I wonder if it was for the phone. Yeah, that's okay. Right. Let's put Wayland XDG. I still don't know where to find it on the computer. It should be defined here somewhere. Right. Interface. Actually, I just realized something. This book or app has interfaces defined in the same order, I think, as they appear in the protocol. Description error. Why do you start with error? Request. Destroy. Create positioner. Yep. I think it's the same order. So what do I need again? Create XDG. Create service. get XDG surface. But we need, how do we create a surface? I guess it's just here. Compositor create surface. Oh, okay. I need the compos WL compositor create surface. Is compositor that low? Registry. Okay. And create surface is 0. I don't think the description counts in the index, if I'm right. Oh, what am I doing? I've already done. I've already created the surface. Put this in the wrong file. Confusing. Oh, I'll get to that. Need the surface ID. Create surface. Needs surface ID. Which is U32. This error? No. So it can't fail. So I can assert standard.debug.assert event by equals 0. See if it works. Right. Surface ID. How did I define messages? Event. Oh, sorry. It's in the request. Surface. What comes first? XDG shell. Create get XDG surface. 0, 1, 2. New ID first and then surface. the opcode. This is not compositor. I wonder what the XDG. Guess XDG object ID. XDG WM base. Let's just double check. Somehow the interfaces are one indexed. Is my guess. We'll find out. Right, so I need, where is it? Get XDG surface. Object ID is XDG object ID dot XDGWM base. Alright, looks good. Oops. Then const XDG surface ID equals ID dot new ID. Then I can just copy this. Get XDG surface. New ID. XDG surface ID. Okay, what is the response? Get XDG surface. Excuse me. Is there? This creates XDG surface for the given surface. While XDG surface is not a role, the corresponding surface may be assigned a role extending XDG surface, such as XDG top level or XDG pop-up. I think we want top level. But I guess that would be the default. It is illegal to create an XDG surface or WL surface which already has an assigned role, and this will result in a role error. Okay. This creates an XDG surface for the given surface. An XDG surface is used on the basis used as basis to define a role to a given surface, such as XDG top level or pop-up. It also manages functionality share between XDG surface based on surface roles. See the documentation of XDG surface for more details. Okay. Destroy XDG surface object. Must be only destroyed after the role object has been destroyed. What is this role object? I guess let's just run and see what happens. All right, okay. Here. Okay, let me just run this. It doesn't say what it responds back with. I suppose it doesn't need to, because you just said. Let's see what happens. Defer. Standard debug. Print. Read bytes. Event bytes. Oh, okay. I think there are different types. Header. You know. Let me just hard code the value for now. Actually, I can make this a U32. I think that should work. Mm, 228. Wait. I wonder if it makes more sense to can you not define struct? Zig struct const field value. What am I doing wrong? I'm doing something wrong. How did you put default values again? Okay, is that it? Like there is a struct. It had it. Oh, I don't know why we need invalid. Don't need that. And that here. Display is u32 equals 1. 32 equals. I guess you don't even need the type. Equals 2, 3. Don't use callback. Equals 4. So I guess it needs the type. What? Could have been a lot simpler. Const. U32. This will be object ID. I don't think that works. There should be an error. I was so sure you could have const. You can. Expected type u32, expected dot enum dot literal 276. Shouldn't that work? What do I need? Object ID. Yeah, okay, that works. Okay. The pipe is broken. Why is the pipe broken? It's like a temporary thing? No, I think the pipe is broken every time. XDG surface. Something wrong with send. Get X2G surface socket. Buffer surface ID. New ID. Header is header. New ID and surface. Message size is size of request. That looks right. New ID, surface ID. Turns a pointer. Why does the pipe get broken? Send. Is the right file? POSIX.zig. 6343. 6343. Switch error. Okay, and then 6293. Why is the pipe broken? I'm able to create a surface. Actually, I just realized, how does it know it's the XTG protocol? Something, I think I'm supposed to do something else here. But also, not sure why pipe is broken. POSIX broken pipe. Oh, it's a closed socket. Why is the socket closed? I mean, I don't close it. Oh, it's closed on the other side. I think I'm missing something. Socket, pipe, broken. server process has received a Zig pipe writing to a socket. This usually happens. Is it Zig pipe? Where's the socket? Six two nine three. Must be defined somewhere now. What's Linux E? Communication protocol which implements a sock stream ensure that data is not lost or duplicated. A piece of data for which the peer protocol has buffer space cannot be successfully transmitted within a reasonable length of time, then the connection is considered to be dead. So when socket keep alive is enabled on the socket, the protocol checks in a protocol specific manner if the other end is still alive. I don't specify actually. Keep alive. Where's my sockets? Upstream. What's this protocol? Zig standard. Standard. Yeah. Keep alive. Quite a lot of keep alives. Which one is it? Zig socket keep alive. I think it's because my guess is the socket gets closed. Do I need to close the socket? Is that a disconnect? Hey, Jack Skelly. it's not Windows. What is it called again? Keep alive. Nothing. Does it say you need to close the socket? I just assumed it would close itself. Description. Oh, there is the close. What's the problem? I'm a pretty good rubber ducky. Well, I think the problem is the socket. Well, my guess is because let me show you the other. Oh, it's here. I get a broken pipe error from the socket, and when I check the man page, it says it's because the connection is dead on the other side. Whatever, the other side is not your side, basically. And so I mean, there's an option to keep alive. I should probably read a bit more. So erase if a process sends or receives a broken stream. On a broken stream, this causes naive processes which should now handle the signal to exit. So sequence packet sockets employ the same system calls as sock stream. The only difference is that read calls will return only the amount of data requested. Any other data remaining is discarded. I don't think this is a problem, but I should check. Standard debug. The print read and unless I'm supposed to do something else here. Yeah, the buffer is big enough. I thought the buffer was so small. Oh, it's POSIX connect. But I'm not sure you need to close it. It was working fine. Get real compute. You're writing your own wayland client for this? Yeah, Yeah, I sort of got sucked into it. I was using X11 and then it's a long story. I mean, I was using X11, then I upgraded the OS, and the upgraded OS uses Wayland. And then I tried to use libwayland, the client. I couldn't figure it out, so I thought I'll write the client myself. Seemed a lot easier. And to be honest, it is. It makes a lot more sense. You mean broken pipe? Um, yeah, I mean, I need to signal to keep the connection open. Wonder how I do that. This is fine. That's also fine. Don't need that. I might try it. Been using libwayland though. Was able to learn it through Wayland book. Yeah, I'm using the same book. Oh, yeah, I know. I saw the book after. Once I started writing the client. I think I saved it here. It's pretty good. I think after you read like the first two chapters, like you sort of get an idea of how to read the events and get interfaces. It's pretty cool. It's just it's a bit of fun. It's not bad. I miss I just miss it making graphic stuff clearer. You plan to make your debugger GPU accelerated? I mean, I don't know. I haven't planned that far ahead. Right now, I'm just trying to get a window going. I mean, yeah, I don't know. To be honest, I don't know how to build a debugger. It just seems like something I should be able to do, so. Yeah, I mean, people say like try to solve your own problems. And I was like, this is a problem I have. I can't get debuggers to work. I mean, except GTB does work. Well, it does work, yeah. But the other debuggers, not easy. Yeah, I did read that it was moving. They're moving off LLM, LLVM. Yeah, it's a good thing. I don't know how they. Yeah, and that was the other thing too. I think this. What inspired me was there was what was it called? Micros Linux microscope. Oh yeah. This guy, I read this post like a long time ago. This guy started this project, but he wasn't able to complete it. Because I mean, I don't know, started working somewhere else. But I think he was using Zig as well. And I saw that like he stopped working on it. So I was like, oh, maybe I could build one. Rad. I think the rat debugger has, they have it on their timeline to release it for Linux, but I don't know when that's going to be. All right, how do you keep a socket alive? POSIX. Set a keep alive. No. Oh yeah, same here. What's it called again? Connect. Socket. Socket T. How do you get socket T? Okay, so maybe here I can specify. What am I doing? I can just domain socket type. Is it impossible to sub to smaller channels on Twitch? Trying to find. Yeah, because I think you need to have like certain number of followers or something. There are some requirements. I think it's to stop like money laundering. Is my guess. Because you could like move money around through Twitch. But then I guess you can just buy followers, so I don't know how effective that is. But I mean, I appreciate the thought though. Thank you. All right. I don't know. So how do you stop it from sick pipe? So up to here, the socket's like open. Yeah, that just works fine. I mean, must be a timing thing. But I guess after that it's broken. I think for sure. Is it possible that you don't respond to ping event? Oh, is there such a thing? I mean, POSIX ping. Maybe here. I mean, there's no reference. Oh, in Wayland. Oh, you mean the Wayland socket is closed? Oh yeah, why didn't I think of that? I thought the actual. Oh well, that makes sense. Wayland set a ping. I mean, shell surface has a ping. How are you supposed to know that? I don't think I read it anywhere. Is it here? Or was it in the book? Protocol basics. In XDG shell, I think. Shell. Oh yeah, right here. Sorry, my bad. A client must respond to a ping event with a pong request, or the client may be deemed unresponsive. XDG WM base dot ping and XDG WM base dot error dot unresponsive. XDG WM base ping. Okay. Well, I guess it's right here. I missed it. Ah, I see. So when you call get surface, oh, okay, you gotta respond. So Pong has, what's that? Serial of the ping event. How do you get, do you call it immediately? The ping looks like a response. Let me check the protocol. Okay, let me just create a Pong request. I think there must be there's a better way to do this. Not the ping, I mean creating requests. Surface, what does it need? Just the serial. Hey, Pascal, the creator. Don't need surface ID. To event. Don't need that. Serial. The thing is, I don't get a response. Where do I get that serial from? Event name is ping. Pass a serial specified in the event back to the compositor by sending a Pong request back with the specified serial. Yeah, Pong is the response that I send back. Or a request. So I see the event here. So does this event come before? was get XTG surface. There's no event bytes. Well, let me just call it immediately anyways. Well, but I mean, for that to work, I'd need... Let me read get XTG surface once again. Text ID surface. Serial of the ping event. I can just create handle ping event. Now I can just read. Where's my... Okay. But I need to read the header anyways. Look at this, and I call this I don't think I need serial, and the serial is event. Yep. Don't think I need the header. Size of arc. Ping event arcs. This is serial. I don't need it, there's no string. Don't need that. Oh, there's no header. The header is already passed. I guess I don't need this either. Serial is U32. Turn U32. Yep, don't need that. And then just return serial. Yeah, we'll keep consume. I think consume could be global. Oh, but it needs the buffer. It's fine. So here, let's get event t the buff equals oh no, I think it's already the same pointer, so I guess should be ping event equals event it dot next. We'll just assume there's one. Output event is event the buff equals output dot data. Right. Const serial is event dot, what did I call it? Parse ping event. So now event bytes is equal to try on socket of and then serial. Pint. I think that should be ping. I'm not sure that's gonna work. Missing struct field serial. Where is here? Debug the print. I think that's a typo. Parse ping event. Looks right. Oh. I think same here. Parse ping event. I don't know how every time I get this same error, and every time I don't know how to fix it. Create service. Oh yeah, okay. Let's ping. Format D for type info, ping event. Oh, this can add. Yeah, see, I knew that would happen because there was. How do I get the serial? Thought an event meant the response to the request. Wayland ping event. It's the only global defined by the specification, and it provides a request for creating each of the objects you need. The most basic implementation starts by handling the ping event. When the compositor sends it. Interesting. So it's not the surface. I guess. Yeah, but this create surface doesn't return. You should respond to it with a pong request in timely manner to hint that you haven't become deadlocked. Another request deals with creation of positioners, the objects mentioned earlier. You'll save the details for chapter 10. A ping event. Where's the protocol again? I'm not exactly sure how you get the ping event. Hang on, maybe. Oops. Is it an interface? So it seems the socket is closed before here. So that means the ping event possibly sent somewhere around here. Check object id dot compositor. Where's the book? Okay, so xdg. Oh, I think no. How can it send an event before the request? So it must be somewhere here. Shell surface, okay. Well, that makes even less sense. Because if there was a response, this assert would fail. I did read something about that top level. Maybe I said top level and then... let's try, can't hurt. Go here, copy that. I do need to abstract methods. And once I get the window, I think I'll abstract it after. What is this? Set top level. And I guess, oh, you need nothing. Brilliant. So this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Opcode is 3. Just need that. Quest will have header only. Dot id equals subject id dot surface dot op is 3. I need font surface is u32 is equal to compositor is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's pretty high. Let me just double check. Display. Registry. Yeah, it's the same format, so it should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a weird way to get an opcode. So compositor is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. That should return a ping response. Surface and op is 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Okay. And I think All I need to do now is move this. Create surface here. It's just assert instead of printing it. Hang on. And this should be set top level. Doesn't it need the surface? That's weird. It's weird that it needs no arguments. How does it know? I don't believe that. Set top. I don't know, maybe because I just set the surface. Alright, see what that does. Say build run. Missing struct field message size. Yes, it is. Dot message size equal the size of request. The pipe is still broken. Where is it broken now? At set top level. So I guess somewhere before set top level, I need to respond with a ping. There's my connection here. Oh, that also means I don't need to close the socket. I'll just close it anyways. So it must be somewhere here. Do I get invalid object ID? Oh, I don't know. I think I'll figure it out tomorrow. Because it's Sunday and I was lazy. Create surface. Weird. Like, how are you supposed to? Is Pong? Hang on. Before I call it XDG shell, is Pong a request? Yeah, but you need the serial. I'll try for five more minutes. XDG ping event. Request sent by the composer to check if the wayland app. Is that an example? XDG WM base. WM base. Right. So does that mean I also? Whoa, why is this so annoying? Like it's so close. Get XDG surface. I need that. I think where's set top level? Don't need this. Get rid of that. So what if I just read from the socket? Standard POSIX socket. Was it? No, just read. Need socket and then buffer. Let's call it ping bytes. Try. And see if it returns standard. Oh, actually, it should just work. Oh, sorry. This should be. I can just use event bytes. Event iterated or next. Oh. Oh no, it's not gonna work. Event it the buff equals should it be 0? Yep. Event bytes. Yep. Okay. That should work. Okay, at least the pipe's not broken. Attempt to use null value. Okay, so that is null. No good. What is read? Standard debug dot print thing. Event bytes. Yeah, that is no response. I am missing something. Doing something. Well, I don't know what I'm doing. What is Rust doing here? Oh. Does he say how he gets the serial? Okay. I don't know, but I'll look up how someone else does it. I'll probably save this. To do get ping from somewhere. Rebuild the whole thing from scratch and magically work. Yeah, okay, I can do that. Can't hurt. ls Zig. What's in there? It's key to happiness. The cache. Remove. That's a cache. Hang on, if it's no, but I think I'm doing something wrong. But I can try to remove this because this is not right. Oh, hang on. Maybe it's just in the wrong place. Why didn't I check standard debug the print? Is that you? Oh no, that's not ping. Because that doesn't work. Let me just comment this out. I'll leave that in. What the heck? Move Zig cache. Build one. No, unfortunately, no. Not that lucky. Alright, I think I'll figure it out tomorrow. I'll keep this. To do. Get serial from ping event. Ping event. Not sure where this comes from. Right. Okay, I think that's good. Pretty good for today. Although I don't know what I did. Didn't make a lot of progress, but it feels like I did. So I'll take that. Alright, as always, thank you for hanging out. Hope you have a good weekend. And I'll see you back tomorrow if you're around. Alright, see ya. Have a good one. See ya, Jack Skelly.